Picture this, you're out in the field, sun beating down, working hard. You're running a big piece of equipment, maybe a tractor or a digger. Everything's humming along, then bam, the engine sputters and dies. What happened? Chances are a tiny part called a filter is the culprit. Filters don't get a lot of glory, but they're essential. They're like the guards of your engine, protecting it from dirt, grime, and other nasty stuff. There are a few different types, each with a big job to do. Oil filters are like the kidneys of your engine. They grab all the gunk and metal shavings that build up in the oil, keeping it clean and flowing smoothly. This keeps the engine running cool and prevents wear and tear. Then you've got air filters. They stop dust, dirt, and even bugs from getting sucked into the engine. Without them, it's like breathing in a sandstorm, rough on your lungs, even rougher on an engine. Finally, there are fuel filters. They make sure the engine gets a pure dose of fuel without any contaminants that can clog things up and cause problems. You might think, they're just filters. How important can they be? Well, let me tell you, ignoring them is a recipe for disaster. A clogged filter can lead to a whole world of hurt for your engine and your wallet. First off, dirty filters make your engine work harder. It's like trying to breathe through a straw. You can do it, but it's a struggle. This puts extra stress on the engine, leading to premature wear and tear. Second, a neglected filter can cause a sudden breakdown. Imagine this, you're on a tight deadline, job's half done, and boom, the engine seizes up because of a dirty oil filter. Now you're looking at costly repairs, lost time, and a whole lot of frustration. And it's not just about breakdowns. Dirty filters also kill your fuel efficiency. When the engine has to work harder, it guzzles more fuel, costing you more money at the pump. Now you're probably wondering, how do I know if my filters need changing? Well, your engine will tell you if you know what to listen for. One telltale sign is a drop in engine performance. If you notice a lack of power, sluggish acceleration, or the engine struggling to keep up, a dirty filter could be the culprit. Another red flag is strange noises coming from the engine. This could be a rattling, knocking, or sputtering sound. Don't ignore these noises. They're your engine's way of crying out for help. Keep an eye on your fuel consumption too. If you're filling up more often than usual, a clogged filter could be restricting fuel flow and forcing your engine to guzzle more. And of course, if that dreaded check engine light pops up on your dashboard, don't ignore it. It could be a sign of a filter problem, among other things. Filters are relatively cheap and easy to replace, but the cost of neglecting them is a different story altogether. Think of it as an investment in the lifeblood of your machinery. When it comes to filters, quality matters. Don't skimp on cheap knockoffs. Go for reputable brands known for their reliability and performance. They might cost a bit more up front, but trust me, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind they provide. Make it a habit to check your filters regularly and replace them according to the manufacturer's recommendations. It's a small step that can save you a whole lot of trouble and expense down the road. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. So, take care of your filters and they'll take care of you.